Yo, what is up, guys? If you are a motorcycle rider or enthusiast and you really want to capture great footage from the road when you're driving through beautiful backcountry or a nice city, you really want to have a high quality dash cam for your motorcycle. Today I'm going to share with you an awesome camera. This is the MEKNIC A7 and it's got a ton of features. So let's open it up and check it out. Okay, we have the box opened up and everything's out here in front of me, and I know it may look complicated, but trust me, this is easy to install. Comes with this nice user manual and a set of instructions right here, so installation is very simple. No need to worry about that. As you can see, it's got two full 1080 HD cameras right here, one for the front of your motorcycle and one for the back. And now both of these signals are going to go to this monitor here. You can switch between views, the front view and the rear view. Now this camera has a great feature. It's a G sensor, which means if any incident is recorded, it's going to lock that footage for you. It's not going to loop again and you're going to lose that footage. It's going to save that footage right here for you so you don't lose it. You can go back and watch the incident. Do remember that although the cameras are waterproof, the actual monitor is not waterproof. So if it's raining, you're going to want to put it away, hide it away so it will not get wet. Take it out again when the sun comes back out. Speaking of this wired remote controller, it comes with a total of 7 buttons. Now you're going to have the power button, the record button, the mode button, the menu button, up, down, and reset. It's very simple to use and allows you to power on and off the camcorder as well, and you can set the menu, browse through your videos. It's just so nice to have this when you're riding around. It's going to capture some great footage for you, as you see here. And the reason the footage is so great is because this camera uses WDR technology. The MEKNIC A7, what it does is it utilizes this special technology to optimize the quality of the recorded files, and it increases the overall exposure of the entire image, allowing the camera to capture in great detail, even in darker shadows. It's going to make your picture, your image always look really nice. Even at night, it captures great footage. It does support up to a 64 gig memory card, which is nice to have as well. What's awesome is the images are being recorded from your motorbike's point of view, a lower, nice front position rather than way up high on your helmet like a helmet cam does. This looks so much better recording from the front and back of your motorcycle. Basically, this camera set has just a ton of features. Honestly, I don't have the time to go through all of them. There's so many of them, but it does have, like I said, night vision, motion detection, parking monitoring, emergency lock, timestamp, instant playback, WDR. This is going to really just improve your riding experience.